Find or read reviews that people are talking about Homlab DVD Projector Portable with built-in DVD player. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. All-in-one portable DVD projector. DVD projector with built-in DVD player and stereo speakers. Not only do you have a projector, but you also have a DVD player and CD player. You can enjoy your movie on the big screen by directly inserting the disc, eliminating the need to purchase an additional DVD player. The mini projector supports DVD, CD, VCD, EVD playback. The DVD projector supports MPEG-1, MPEG-2, FLV, MPEG-4, RM, AVI, RMVB, MOV, MKV, DivX video formats, MP3, WMA, OGG, AAC, MA4, FLAC, WAV music formats and JPEG, BMP, PNG picture formats. This DVD player projector is convenient for you to play the collection CD directly and relieve the classics. 1080p plus 200 inches HD reproduction image. This DVD projector supports 1080p high quality, resolution, 1920x 1080, with 1500 lumens high brightness lamp. The home theater projector is adjustable in screen size up to 200 inches, 60 to 200 inches, and can accommodate different distances, 1.79 to 5.94 meter, for optimal viewing. Even during the daytime or with the lights on, the projected image quality remains clear, highly reproducible, and rich in color gradation. The superb decoding ability and high-definition projection picture match can bring you a theater-class experience and protect your eyes at the same time. Built-in HiFi stereo speakers. HiFi projector with DVD player has built-in HiFi stereo speakers with optimized sound cavity structure, thick bass and clear vocals. No need to connect additional speakers, put in a DVD or CD, you can experience rich, clear HiFi sound. This DVD projector for outdoor movies is perfect for camping, bedroom movie nights, small family concerts. Let you enjoy a good time with your friends and family. Multi-port, multi-use. HiFi DVD projector is equipped with HDMI, USB, AV and audio interfaces. The video projector can be a game projector, HDMI for PS4, Xbox, Switch gaming. The movie projector also can be a TV projector, USB for Fire TV stick, Roku. 3.5mm audio port for external speakers. No complicated setups, plug and play in 1 minute. Good heat dissipation and low noise. Projector shell design allows heat to be quickly exported, the core components of the temperature dropped by 15%, life expectancy extended by 30%. High-performance operation is not hot, long-time movie watching is still smooth and lag-free, and you don't have to worry about overheating and dying in summer. Projector working process noise is low, giving you the ultimate immersive viewing experience. Mini and portable with plenty of accessories. This mini portable projector comes with a 100 inches foldable curtain, remote control, manual, power cord, HDMI cable and AV cable. This CD projector is ready to use right out of the box, just bring a disc with you and without any connection, you can use our camping projector to play movies outdoors. RV travel, outdoor camping, vacation home, this outdoor DVD projector and screen combo is your best choice for outdoor movie watching. 3 projection modes are free to switch. A variety of placement methods to adapt to different use scenarios. Transform any surface into your canvas, cinema mode, standard 100 inches foldable projector screen, suitable for 90% living room. Wall projector, whether it is in the bedroom or bathroom, meet your viewing needs anytime, anywhere. Ceiling projector, this projector is compact enough to be easily placed in most places, making it easy to install, allowing you to quickly start an emergency meeting. Minimal operation, 90s quick installation. Transform any space into a cinema, power on and turn on, connect, HDMI, USB, DVD, focus. Manually adjust the focal length, adjust the angle and clarity of the picture. This DVD player projector is wired and directly connected, truly plug and play, and runs completely offline. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.